Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Thursday, January 16th. Here are today's top headlines. Graphite One has announced that the Department of Defense's Defense Logistics Agency released a video on its project with Graphite One and Vorbeck materials to develop eco-friendly firefighting foam using graphite from the company's Alaska Creek deposit. The initiative aims to replace traditional firefighting foam for military and civilian use with a safe, sustainable alternative. Rocket Lab has successfully launched its second Pioneer spacecraft for Varda Space Industries, providing mission-critical functions for Varda's W2 capsule, including power, propulsion, and altitude control. The W2 mission features a re-entry capsule carrying advanced payloads, such as a pharmaceutical reactor and a spectrometer, and will culminate in a hypersonic re-entry and recovery in South Australia. Symbotic has announced plans to acquire Walmart's advanced systems and robotics business for $200 million upfront, with potential future payments up to $350 million to expand their partnership in developing automated supply chain solutions. This collaboration aims to enhance Walmart's e-commerce capabilities, addressing a $300 billion U.S. market for micro-fulfillment systems. EHang's pilotless EH-216 aerial vehicle completed its inaugural demo flight in downtown Shanghai, showcasing its capabilities in urban air mobility and launching trial eVTOL sightseeing routes by the Longhua Airport. EHang aims to establish a low-altitude economy, advancing air taxi operations and urban sightseeing in the Shanghai region.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.